Good morning, everyone. Join your hands, close your eyes, go down, let's start Maheikol. Termusali Maheikol.
Today's song of the day is the first empire paved way for the greatness of all. Respected principal, headmistress, teachers, friends, and my dear junior brothers, sisters. Today we, the student of class 6, will explore the concept of the first empire in history. Let's dive into the fascinating world of ancient civilization.
The Sumerian Empire, established around 2900 BCE in Mesopotamia, is considered one of the early civilizations.
The Akkadian Empire, founded by Sargon the Great in 2334 BCE, is often regarded as one of the empires.
In conclusion, the concept of the First Empire teaches us about the rise and fall of civilization. Let us learn from their achievements and challenges, applying this to our own life and society. Thank you. Next, my friend Punsipa is going to conduct a quiz.
Good morning, everyone. I bring up some quiz. My name is Punsipa. How many players participate in a lawn tennis? Is correct answer. Next question. How many days a leap year has? 36. Correct answer. Who has written Rezan Se Acha? Correct answer. In which year was Pluto removed from the list of the planets? 46. Correct answer. The minimum age to be born in India. Incorrect. What is the national tree of India? Correct. Who is credited with the creation of the Indian rupee sign? Correct. Muhammad family is related to which sport? Correct. When did Magnus start playing chess? I'll repeat. When does the Magnus start playing chess? No. The correct answer is 30. That's all for today. Thank you.
Good morning to you all, my dear children. So many of them has shown us good performance from the class 6 students. Especially the quiz was very nice, and the best of all is you have answered all the questions of that particular quiz, but last question there was some confusion, I think. Magnus Carlsen, full name is Magnus Carlsen. Do you know where from he is? Which one? In which year he did become the world championship? Youngest, one of the youngest world championship. In which sports? Chess, right? Okay, you have done well. You deserve a hand. Thank you. Are you going to be a great leader of the nation or not? Yes. Then you must be able to very confidently, and you have to perform well in this one for that. Is that clear? Ready? Thank you.
Please. My first.